4026 Harwood virtual tour. This is a big house. Has a nice big driveway, cement, double car garage in the back. It's been painted outside, newer roof. Just a nice home. Let's go back here. Then you also have a little backyard back here, a back door. So here's your yard. It's a nice area too. So let's go inside. This is a 3-bedroom. You can make it a 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom, whatever you want on this one. A lot of room. So let's go inside. See here, you got a nice front porch here. And you have vinyl floors in the living room, dining room area, fireplace. So you can see it's a nice big area to entertain in. So you can see it's really a nice big area. You also have bedrooms here. So here's one it's part, they look like they knocked that out. So it actually becomes this huge bedroom here, which is nice because you can have an office and you can have a bedroom. And then you have another, the bathroom is on the first floor, so 3-bedroom, 1 bath. Then you have another huge bedroom back here, 2 closets, and that. So that's very nice. In here, and you have some storage stuff in the hallway. Then you have the kitchen. You have these cabinets, eat-in kitchen. Then you have this other bedroom that doesn't have any doors, but you do have the closets. And it is a pretty big bedroom. I mean, it's nice and big. Goes right into the kitchen there. The basement is big also. So you can see everything's in here. There's it's a 2-bathroom. Sorry, there's a bathroom down here. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And you have a shower, toilet. So it's a little bathroom down here in the basement. And then you have a newer electrical box. And if you want to make this house a little bigger, they do have some room upstairs. You got some nails and sheetrock. You can finish that out. So let's go up there. So you can see all the insulation and everything's already in. They did build a little room back here already. So if you want to make a playroom, an office, whatever, there is one up here. So this is 4026 Harwood. Nice house in South Euclid. And again, if you're looking to buy a house, this has a lot of room, very open, kind of a gigantic studio type house. But everything's very nice here. Thanks.